Hey Buick fans, let's take a look at this one. The ever popular body style. That was Buick's first entry into the luxury car market. 1964 Buick Riviera. These were luxury cars marketed by Buick from 63 to 99 as far as wearing the Riviera nameplate, with the exception of 1994. 425 original numbers matching engine underneath the hood. That would be a KW suffix code. And you can also see the VIN stamped right in the top of the block. Of course, that would be the 340 horsepower version of the Nailhead V8 with 465 pound-feet of torque. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can see that engine bay, check out the engine. You'll be able to see the VIN, the stamping, the data tag, the undersides, the interior. Probably 100 or so pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let's take a close look at the bright work and chrome up front on this one. I will tell you, as far as the paint, it is an older repaint. Looks like this car has had one repaint along the line. It is a little bit older, and for black, it will show, the light checks, maybe a nick, scratch, a little stuff like this right across there. So is the paint perfect on this car? No, but take a look at the hood, the reflection coming off of that with the Cadillac sign on the wall in the background. You can still see it has a nice luster to it, and the car shows well, but it's an older black paint, and it is going to show some imperfections. Now, the Nailhead V8 is paired up with turbo 400 automatic transmission. Of course, interior on these had the bucket seats in the front with a center console, and then it also had rear bucket style seating, so it was a 4-passenger car. Paint coat on this car is an A paint coat, so this was Regal Black. Original black vinyl interior color, 628 on the cowl tag or data tag, so this car is still set up the way that it would have came from Buick back in 1964. Let you take a look up and down the passenger side here, and again, you can see the reflection coming off the paint. So again, it does show well, but due to the age, there are some imperfections in it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear, those taillights, you can tell are a 64 taillight with the R, the same way you would have the hood ornament emblem with the R up there. 63 was a crest on these rear taillights and replaced by the Riviera R in 64. You take a look at the bright work in the rear here. Car looks quite original on the underside, trunk, again interior. And you can check that all out in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
It's riding on Coy's 5-spoke wheels. Car has had a fresh oil change. Also is equipped with power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped car. Just take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see the reflection of our showroom coming off the car. A lot of nice chrome and bright work on this car, and it really pops with that black paint. Do have a little blemish up here in the paint. And again, you can ask the salesperson you consult with them when you call in. We have an open door policy for inspectors. If you'd like an inspector to look at it, no problems at all there. Give you another opinion along with what my walk around is here for you. Better yet, come see us. Always like it when the customers make it in. Power windows, of course. Would have the remote mirror. Kind of cool. Here's how you could open the door from the rear seat to get out and open the door. Again, black vinyl was the original interior in this car, so still same color it would have been. Rear style bucket seats. Headliner is also in very nice shape on this car, and it's a silver, looks great in here. All right, let's fire this up, check out a little of this dash and console. Interior. All right, first off, there's an aftermarket stereo down there. That does work. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up. A few things I want to show you. See how easy that 425 starts up. Now, right here, antenna. You can see that. Check out there. And the power antenna functions like it should. Up and down. Just still kind of cool. You don't always see those working. Again, there's that stereo, and that does also work underneath there. Blower fan does work, although I believe the heater core was disconnected. Taking a look at the still pictures underneath. Fuel gauge does work. That green light that's on, that's the cold light until the car would warm up. That won't go off. It was a cold start when I started it. This car just fires right up no matter what. This right here, speed warning. That is able to be set from, I think it's about 30 miles an hour on up. When you reach that speed, it is going to give you a little buzz and audible sound telling you that you're speeding. Don't ask me how I know that. We never owned a Buick when I was in high school. All right, dash is in nice shape. Slip around to the back so you can hear this car run. Nice sounding car too. This one will definitely turn some heads, even if that paint isn't perfect. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's got that flat black and polished 5-spoke wheel look along with the black car. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and we'll check out that nail head underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at how smooth that thing runs. Now, if you look on top here, it says Wildcat 465. Remember, this is a 425 cubic inch engine, but that would have been your pound-feet of torque that they're advertising on that air cleaner cover. Listen how smooth that ran. And remember, this was also pretty much the same power that Buick would have had in the larger cars in 1964. So this being their smaller luxury car, had some performance that those larger Buicks did. Fun cars, nice looking cars, always popular body style. 1964 Buick Riviera Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.